नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू PPT न्यूज चैनल. This is your own English news channel where we bring you every latest news of your local area. PPT News aim is to make your area's voice reach the world. We bring to you news related to your area, administrative updates and every small and big information of public interest in a simple and accurate manner. Our specialty is correct, unbiased and latest information, whether it is development plans of your area, social issues or special events of your area. PPT News is always with you. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan directed the officials to resolve public problems on priority. BJP Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan held a public hearing at the camp office on Thursday and heard the public problems of the citizens who came from the constituency. During this, the MLA instructed the officials to resolve public problems on priority. He also said that development in Dadri constituency is his priority, and in this series, projects worth crores will be implemented by the government on the ground soon. During the public hearing in front of MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan, people informed about many problems including electricity, water, sewage. Regarding the settlement of the problems of the citizens, the MLA instructed the officials of the concerned department to resolve them with the stipulated time on the phone. Someone said that Naib Sani government of the state is working for the welfare of every section. The Chief Minister himself is committed to the development of Dadri constituency. This is the reason that work on projects worth crores is going on at a fast pace in Dadri. Development will be visible on the ground in the coming days. Apply for Dhanpat Singh Sanghi Memorial Award by January 6th. Applicants should send the application form to the Department of Information, Public Relations and Languages by post and email. Applications have been invited for the Dhanpat Singh Dangi Memorial Award by the Department of Information, Public Relations and Languages, Haryana. Eligible artists of the district can apply for the Dhanpat Singh Sanghi Memorial Award by 6th January 2025 through email and post in the Department of Information, Public Relations and Languages. Incomplete applications received after the due date will not be considered. DIPRO Sandeep Kumar told about the application process sought by the department that the selected artist will be presented with 1 lakh rupees and a citation shoal is a reward. He informed that applications can be sent to the department by 6 January 2025 through email at ACRO number Sector 17C Chandigarh DPRO refilled@gmail.com. He informed that the person applying must have at least 10 years of experience in stage direction of the compositions of the singers also. It is mandatory for the applicant to be a resident of Haryana, or it will also be assured that the applicant has directed the songs in accordance with the dignity of Haryana culture. The best director should be adept at coordinating with his associate artistic director, music director, costume designer, light and sound, Adi technical staff. The age of the applicant should be between 35 years to and it is also necessary for the applicant to be well asset published in the stage management of songs. He said that the applicant must have knowledge of the nuances of acting and music to prepare the script based on the compositions of the song. The applicant should have directed and staged at least 10 years annually. There should be no criminal case registered against the person to be selected, and the songs directed should be educational and related to social concerners. After setting out the event side as per mandatory qualifications, the singer will have to perform in the song festival at the place decided by the department along with their entire team, on the basis of which the eligible singer will be selected by the jury. The selection process will be completely fair and transparent, and the decision taken by the selection committee will be final. It is necessary to enter all the information in the prescribed performa for application and send it along with the documents. A meeting of medical officers of Ayush department and various meditation center in charges was held in the district Ayurveda office under the chairmanship of District Ayurveda Officer Charki Dadri. In this meeting, discussions were held celebrating the first International Meditation Day on December 21, declared by the United Nations General Assembly. In view of suffering mental disorders all over the world and the importance of meditation for its control, it has been decided to celebrate Meditation Day at the international level. The district level program of Charki Dadri will be held at Gurukul Rohtak Road, in which there will be 500 participants. The program will start at 8 a.m. and will last for 45 minutes 45 minutes. Principal Gurukul Brahma Kumari Ashram Bharat Swabhiman Art of Living Yoga Sports Association representative Surendra Arya, all Ayush medical officers of the district were present in today's meeting. District Ayurveda Officer Dr. Rakesh Vasisht has appointed District Yoga Coordinator Dr. Parmil Fogart as in charge for this program. The corporation of various meditation institutions will be taken to make the program successful. The general public is also requested to participate enthusiastically in the first World Meditation Day. As per the directions of District Legal Services Authority Chairman, District and Session Judge Naresh Kumar, Secretary of District Legal Services Authority CJM Sanjeev Kajla has said that if any prisoner in jail needs legal aid, then the authority can help him. CJM Sanjeev Kajla was talking to the prisoners while inspecting Bhiwani district jail on Wednesday. He said that if the accused is staying in jail for a long time due to not getting legal aid in a minor case, then he can take the help of District Legal Services Authority. Along with this, while visiting the jail, CJM Sanjeev Kajla also inspected the male barrack, female barrack, and while visiting the jail, CJM Sanjeev Kajla observed the living conditions of the prisoners, food, drinking water arrangements, library, cleanliness, medical service, etc. Along with this, the National Legal Services Authority has launched a special campaign for the suffering elderly, under 12 prisoners, convicts. Under this campaign, District Legal Services Authority Charkhi Dadri Secretary Sanjeev Kajla, along with the district unit members, talked to old under trial prisoners, convicts suffering from serious incurable diseases from district Charkhi Dadri during jail Lok Adalat, and were also made aware about free legal and services being provided by this authority. Secretary Sanjeev Kajla instructed that if any prisoner from Dadri district needs legal aid, then DLSA should inform the office. Jail Deputy Superintendent Rai Sahab and underemployees were present on this occasion. So stay tuned for with us and subscribe to PPT News channel to see every news of your area. First, press the bell icon because this is your local voice, global reach. Please tell us in the comment how you like our news and which news related to your area you want to see. Thank you. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, take care.